Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Ventures with Kramer. So, what we're seeing here is inflation's caught up with Starlink. So, they are needing to actually update some of the different prices that are going on, increase in the actual price of your kits. Even if you've reserved it, you're still getting a small increase as well. The overall price for monthly going from the basic is from $99 to $110. I'm not sure exactly how much that's going to cause the premium price to be able to set and go up from there. And they're just trying to help keep up with stuff. It's nice that they're also offering at least a partial refund if you've been using it for within a year, and at least a full refund within the past 30 days. Looks like it doesn't go into effect until May 20th. It is also nice to see, though, they're talking about the fact that they've actually tripled the amount of satellites up in space in that low Earth orbit, which I think is really cool. I see this as another way, since you can't actually buy SpaceX stock right now, to be able to try and reinforce and help to back up the company. I still love it. I still think it's been a great stuff going on. Have a couple issues with the dish that's been happening over time since I've had it for about 18 months, but look forward to that video next, and peace, everybody.